The thought behind it is look, I'm an advocate and I'm going to always say this, just like a 150K, 150K trading combine, it has a max 15 lots. I would never tell anybody like, well, you give a max of 15 lots, I'm going to hit the max. Well, I would say, you know what, go to the 50K. I tell people to go down and then trade a one lot. If you can't trade small, you can't trade big. Now, there are traders that do trade small and they have $100, $200, $300 daily profit, and they can handle those emotionally. Because I like right now, if you said, "Hey, Michael, put up 30 grand, swings, 30 grand up, 30 grand down," that's psychologically harder to do than $300 up and down days. So that being said, those type of traders can get a little bit of an advantage to get you comfortable at the express funded account level, so then we can get you to that live level and have you be a bigger trader. We want you to be a bigger trader at the live level. That's the end of the rainbow here at Topstep. But you can trade with more XFAs, because if you're putting up a $200 day and then you're copying with 5, now you're doing $1,000, total. So that's what it is. Now, again, never scale up on a position sizing. Don't like, I'm going to be a 15 lot trader when you can't even do a 1 lot trader. And I'm going to do a 5 XFAs because I have never even been funded and or taken a payout at the funded level on one account. So if you've never taken a payout on one account, I would highly recommend you get yourself comfortable with that. Once you get yourself comfortable with it, this is here for you. This is the opportunity for those to help scale up. We may be thinking about more, but it would only be triggered upon your performance. Just like your performance on the scaling up on a position, scale up plan that we have on a scale position, you grow your account, you can scale up to bigger size. We may be doing that. But the whole point about this is get yourself comfortable with one account and then scale it up. If you're comfortable with one account, here you go. You got 5 now that you can add to that. Trade well, trade responsibly, and always trade for tomorrow.